channel. In today's video we're doing get ready with me for a new year party. Yes, I'm recording my phone and I cannot find a good setup yet, so if you find it, we'll go to the video. If we don't, we're gonna skip my makeup tutorial and get on to the outfit. Let's get into the video. So I just finished my makeup look and this is how I look like. I kind of look the same, I just going simple, you know. It's basically my church dance. Yeah, my church New Year party for 14 and up, and I'm 16, so why not? I'm bored at home, so I'm like, why not wear my makeup? You cannot even see it except for my highlight. Wait. Yeah, let's get into the fit.
The life not giving.
We're gonna do a countdown. Let's go.
Today's New Year Eve, December 31st, and I decided to share with you guys some of my New Year resolutions. Since I'm filming Spend a New Year with Me, I decided to film a New Year resolution, and the few things I want to achieve in 2023 is learn how to play guitar. I used to play it, like I'm not a completely beginner, but like at the same time I am, because I stopped playing it when I didn't have a guitar. So yeah, I just want to keep continuing playing because I feel like I've learned enough songs that I like, and I feel like I want to learn how to play them by myself, and I can sing it at my own time because I think I have a good voice. Not I'm flexing, but I am. But like, yeah. And then some other thing, I want to have good grades and wake up early in the morning. Maybe take a walk or run if I don't want to. Maybe take a walk, just walk around the neighborhood and stuff. I feel like that would be good if I have nothing to do, like not on school mornings though, like on weekends. Yeah, I feel like I should start taking a walk in the morning. And yeah, so yeah, those are my 2 New Year's resolutions so far. I think of play guitar and maybe run or walk in the morning, and maybe actually find a job in this day I just moved into, because I haven't got a job yet. It's kind of hard. I feel like it's kind of hard since I'm not living like in a big city with like a lot of stores, traffic store. Where I used to live, it used to be like I live next to the stores. It was like close to me. I literally just walk and I can find everything. But here, I kind of have to drive. So yeah, I learned how to drive, which I'm taking my permanent test next week. So hopefully I pass that and learn how to drive and maybe get a job. Yeah, you guys will comment some of your New Year's resolution below. Hey guys, so today's Tuesday and it's January 2nd, and I'm making my vision board for my New Year resolution, and this is some of my New Year resolution right here. And I'm making it my phone screen size, like lock screen for my wallpaper on my phone, because every time I open my phone I want to see this is my New Year resolution and something I'm going to be working on this year. So yeah, let's get into the video, and I'll be using Canva and Pinterest for getting the pictures and making the vision board.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine, and you have got my head in the clouds.
joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go our separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go, don't you know?
Hey guys, so I just finished making my vision board. It's right here and it will be available on my Pinterest if you want it for inspiration. And yeah.